This is a 2002 Cadillac DeVille. It has a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: an 8-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a CD player, a leather interior, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, a traction control system, heater vents for rear seat passengers, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.